Ndekeni, Ajeni, Otofeni, Osamarinekina. We are hearing so many people saying that the Igbos will marginalize Anyama people if Anyama people are being joined to Southeast, that the Igbos are invaders, that the Igbos will come to your land, ascend the throne, take power, this, that, everything. We hear it every day, most especially from the enemies of the Igbo race, and also those Igbo people denying that they are not Igbos, and they are saying it out of what they heard from people. Our Okwan people will tell you, Igbos, they will want to claim your land, they want to change your language, they want to take over your throne, they want to rule you, they want to take over your government, this, that. Ask any Okwani person, have anyone from Enugu ascended the throne in your community? They will tell you no. Have any Igbo community invaded Okwani land? No. Have any of our brothers from the southeast taken power from Okwani land? No. Are our brothers from the southeast living in Okwani land? They will tell you yes. You now ask them, do they speak Okwani dialect? They will tell you yes. Why haven't they changed Okwani dialect? They will tell you, that is the only thing they will tell you. You they ask them waiting they accuse you of, but they no go feel reply. Why? Hearsay. It's so bad that many people hear all sort of rubbish and still believe in that nonsense. Imagine an elder telling a child that they will take over your land. Have you ever seen a community that they took their land? No. No community for Anyoma will tell you say any Igbo region invade them. We Igbos, we don't invade people. We go to other people's land, stay there. We work, we build, and we invest. That is Igbo man for you. We only hate to be bullied. So whenever you hear people saying that Igbos will come and take over power, they want to take your land. Anybody will tell you that in Amumu, the person no get sense. Anyone tell you that nonsense, na Amumu. That is propaganda. They are spreading propaganda and lies. Okay? If you come to our land, you will see many of our brothers from the southeast in our land building and investing. They speak Okwane. They speak Okwane very well. You can't say, which side of Okwane from? They can't tell you, no, I'm not Okwane, I'm from Nsoka. I'm not Okwane, I'm from Enugu. I'm from Anambra, I'm from Ebonyi. You can't be but they speak Okwane, you go tell you, I have been in this community for 15 years. I have been in this community for 10 years. So there's no way another Igbo community, another Igbo person will come to your land and change your language. It's a lie. Instead, he will adopt your own, he will start speaking your own dialect. Go to Anambra. Many people you see in Anambra today, they speak Anambra dialect, the dialect of that community. If they want to speak their own, they will speak, but that they you know even know say they come from another place. Many people I know in Anambra, they speak Anambra, but when you ask them, they will tell you, I'm from Okwanyo, I'm from Eka, I'm from Enwane, I'm from Ebonyi, I'm from Ikwere. But they speak the dialect of that place. So anywhere you see Igbos, we speak the dialect of that place. There's no way we can change your own dialect. I will not impose in dialect on Anyama people. You now impose Afikpo dialect on Anyama people. Make una try to talk with him make sense. The person know they come out, they talk like Mumu. They will change your language. They will change your language. All those things you are hearing are all lies to make you hate your brothers, to cause disunity among us. But we are here to puncture those lies. Imagine people that are telling us Igbos don't love themselves. Now we are loving ourselves and proving to the world that we are one people. They are still the ones fighting us, saying, Igbos, these people are not Igbos, leave them alone. See, let me tell you something. Anybody calling we the Igbo unification movement land grabbers, that person will devil. That person will ajashro. Ndi chukwu bụ ọnụ na wama afọ ife dị mma. Ndị obodo ndị ajọ mmadụ dị n'ụwa. Mana wama wiketisa anyị bụ ndị Igbo maka Igbo unity is here to stay. Igbos are one people. Ndi ncha na-asụ Igbo bụ ofu ndị. Propaganda can never divide us. Anyị akaligo get disunity. Now Igbos must unite. Every corner of Igbo speaking people must unite and identify as one people. And we all are southeast. So once you are Igbo, you are southeast. So all these our people saying we are not Igbo. So if you go Lagos, I'm not Igbo, I'm Okwanyo. They look you as Mumu because they don't say you just the Mumu. Because when you go start, they don't go reason whether you are from Okwanyo or from Okwanyo, because they know you all are Igbo because you speak Igbo. So try the reason. Those people deny that they are not Igbo. Try the reason. Fulani, where they another country, they accept their Fulani identity. They claim they be Fulani. They speak Fulani and their language. And you where they speak Igbo, don't say you are not Igbo. Because your dialect will not be the same with another person's dialect. Because your dialect is unique. Your dialect is unique. That is what you are. You remain Igbo. We must always debunk their lies. No propaganda can divide we Igbos. Igbo bofu. Ishia Gwarendeke.